Easter is a powerful symbol of renewal and rebirth. The perfect moment to hit reset and rebuild your morning routine to fuel unstoppable success. Did you know that science shows your morning habits can boost your energy and mental clarity by up to 30%, setting the stage for a day where you conquer your biggest goals? This Easter, we're tapping into that spirit of a fresh start to create a morning routine that powers you up with physical and mental strength. In this video, we'll uncover the science of how your mornings can supercharge your success, share 3 practical steps to transform the way you start your day, and I'll tell you how rebuilding my own morning routine turned my life around. Let's harness the energy of Easter to ignite your mornings with purpose, because the way you start your day can launch you toward a future of greatness. Join our community at Vance Growth Academy and let's take this journey to success together. And now, let's get started. Let's dive into the science of why your morning routine can be a game changer for your energy and clarity, giving you the edge to dominate your day. When you start your morning with intentional habits, you're not just waking up your body, you're igniting your brain for peak performance. Research shows that just 5 minutes of light physical activity in the morning, like stretching or a quick walk, can boost your dopamine levels by up to 20%, flooding your brain with feel-good energy that powers you through the day. Dopamine isn't just about feeling great. It sharpens your focus and helps you tackle challenges with razor-sharp clarity. And if you're fascinated by dopamine, join the channel because we've got an entire series on dopamine coming soon. Another study found that morning routines that include movement can increase your cognitive function by 15%, making you more alert and ready to make smart decisions from the moment you start your day. But here's the best part. Consistent morning habits also help regulate your body's circadian rhythm, improving your energy levels by as much as 25% over time, according to sleep science experts. This means that by prioritizing your mornings, you're not just setting the tone for the day. You're building a foundation for unstoppable momentum that carries you towards your biggest goals. Let's use this science to transform your mornings into a launch pad for success, because when you wake up with energy and clarity, there's nothing you can't achieve. Now, let's get into 3 practical steps to rebuild your morning routine and make that energy and clarity a daily reality. Now that you know the science, let's put it into action with 3 practical steps to rebuild your morning routine and unleash the energy and clarity you need to win the day, all while embracing the renewal spirit of Easter. Step 1. Wake up your body with springtime energy. Instead of hitting snooze, kick off your morning with a burst of movement, try a 5-minute dance session to your favorite song, or grab a jump rope for a quick cardio boost. Research shows that morning movement can increase your energy levels by 20% throughout the day, because it gets your blood flowing and oxygenates your brain, waking you up in the most vibrant way. Feel the freshness of spring as you move. It's like Easter morning in every step. Step 2. Plan your day with clear structure. Take just 5 minutes to write down your top 3 goals for the day. Not a long to-do list, but 3 focused priorities that will move you closer to your dreams. Studies reveal that people who plan their day in the morning are 30% more productive, because this habit creates a mental roadmap that keeps you on track no matter what challenges come your way. This is your fresh start, a clean slate to build your success, one intentional goal at a time. Step 3. Fuel your body with the right energy. Prepare something nourishing to kickstart your day, like a refreshing smoothie packed with fruits or a hearty bowl of oats with nuts and seeds. Science tells us that a balanced breakfast can improve your cognitive performance by 25%, giving you the sustained energy you need to stay sharp and focused all morning long. Think of it as a gift to your body. Just like Easter celebrates renewal, you're renewing your energy with every bite. These 3 steps, waking your body with movement, planning with purpose, and fueling with intention are your foundation for a morning routine that sets you up for unstoppable success. Let's make this Easter the start of a new, energized you. Now, let me share an inspiring story about one of my clients who came to me for psychological coaching. A story that shows how a new morning routine can truly transform a life. A few years ago, around Easter time, a client, let's call her Sarah, reached out to me in a state of complete exhaustion. She was a single mom, juggling a demanding job, but her mornings were chaotic. She'd wake up late, rush through her routine with no structure, and start her day feeling drained and overwhelmed, unable to focus on her goals. She told me she felt stuck, like she was failing both at work and as a parent. Inspired by the renewal spirit of Easter, I worked with her to rebuild her mornings using the steps we just discussed. First, she started waking her body with a 5-minute dance session to her favorite upbeat song, letting the springtime energy lift her spirits. Then, she took 5 minutes to plan her day, writing down her top 3 priorities to create clarity and structure amidst her busy life. Finally, she began fueling her body with a quick smoothie packed with fruits, giving her the sustained energy she'd been missing. At first, Sarah struggled to stick with it, but after just 2 weeks, she noticed a dramatic shift. She had more energy to tackle her day, her focus sharpened, and she started feeling in control again. Within months, Sarah not only excelled at work, earning a promotion, but also felt more present for her kids, building the balanced life she'd always wanted. Easter became her turning point, proving that a purposeful morning routine can bring the energy and clarity needed to rebuild your life one morning at a time. You can do this too. Let's make this Easter your fresh start to an energized, unstoppable you. Now, let's talk about how to keep this powerful morning routine going strong so you can stay energized and focused every single day. You've got the steps. You've heard an incredible story of transformation. Now let's ensure your morning routine becomes a lifelong habit that keeps you energized and focused every day. First, set realistic times that work for you. If you're not a morning person, don't force yourself to wake up at 5 a.m. Start with a time that feels doable, like 7 a.m., and adjust as you go. Science shows that aligning your routine with your natural body clock can make you 40% more likely to stick with it because it feels sustainable, not forced. Next, customize your routine to fit your lifestyle. If you're a busy parent, keep your morning steps short and flexible, maybe a quick 3-minute stretch instead of a dance, or plan your day while sipping your coffee. Research reveals that tailored habits are 50% more effective for long-term consistency because they seamlessly blend into your daily life. Finally, harness the power of a fresh start to stay committed. Let the energy of a new beginning remind you why you started. Every morning is a chance to reset and grow stronger. By setting realistic times, adapting to your life, and tapping into that fresh start energy, you'll turn your morning routine into a powerful habit that propels you towards success. You're on this journey to greatness. Let's keep that momentum alive with every sunrise. Let's wrap this up with a powerful reminder. Your morning routine is the key to unlocking unstoppable energy and razor-sharp clarity, setting you up for success every single day. And what better time to embrace this than the fresh start of Easter? You've learned the science, the steps, and heard an incredible story of transformation. Now it's your turn to take action. Here's my challenge. Pick one step from today, whether it's waking your body with movement, planning your day with focus, or fueling your body with energy, and try it tomorrow morning. Then come back and share your experience in the comments. I can't wait to hear how it powers up your day. If this video inspired you, hit that subscribe button and share it with someone ready to transform their mornings. Our growth series is just getting started with so many exciting topics ahead to help you become your best self. So stay with us on this journey. You're unstoppable. Let's keep building your greatness, one energized morning at a time.